to make liquid charcoal, all you need is charcoal, and it can be willow, vine, or even compressed charcoal. Obviously, if you use a compressed charcoal, it will be darker. You need some sandpaper, you need a container for the charcoal powder, and you need water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of willow charcoal. I'm going to take quite a big piece just because it's easier to sandpaper, and I'm going to sandpaper it into this container. So I'm just rubbing that charcoal until I get sufficient powder in this container. It might be a good idea to work on some newspaper, just because then all the debris that goes around will be captured by that newspaper. Okay, and I think I've got enough sufficient for this demonstration. Obviously, if you're doing a big piece of paper, you need more charcoal, and you can just spend time. I'm using this little pipette to control the water going in there, but you don't actually need a pipette. You can just work with a spoon to control the charcoal, and then you just really give it a good mix, and you have to spend some time mixing and making sure that all that powder dissolves into the water. And obviously, the less water you put into the charcoal, the darker it will be, and if you add more water, it will be lighter. So once you've done that, you can then start applying your liquid charcoal onto a surface. The nice thing about this technique is you can create quite expressive surfaces. I'm going to move this so I don't damage my drawings. You can create quite expressive surfaces that you can then work into. Here's another example. And this is a further example.